Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday, end of April market webcast. So, you guys used to watch Sesame Street, right? When we were little, we always had the letter of the day. Well, the letter of today, kids, is V. The full V. The whole damn thing from Christmas, all the way back. So the all-time high on the continuation chart from back in September was 29.47. The bears laid down, they laid all the way down. And we went and did 29.51 half on the continuation chart yesterday. Now, the front month all-time high is 61 and change, but for the purposes of the continuation chart, here we are. Presto, it's a V. I mean, you've really got to do a lot of bear-like things as far as not executing, not performing, not doing a hell of a lot of anything to give up that. Okay? It was a good day in the chat. It was kind of a lazy long day. I mean, we've got long 43 quarter, and we stayed in the 43 long most of the day. We took our runner and then flipped into a short at 46 quarter, which we've held most of the night. We had some people reload on the move back to 45. So it was a good day yesterday. Continues to be a good day. Got a good start to today. On the 5-minute chart, we've gone down to 39 a few times. So for me, they're going to have to convert that area off the open if the bears are going to hope to push down in and towards the hourly. The weekly pivot. They need to convert the hourly mid-band. Need to break the lower low from overnight, which is 29.3575. And remember what I said. The bears have no relevancy for anything more than a trade. And look, I'm in a short trade. They are not relevant for anything more than a short trade. I've done a short setup for the room unless they can convert weekly pivot. They got to convert weekly pivot. If they can't, then they're just noise. And these dips are buys, and we continue to bleed to the upside. Everybody hates the rally, and that's why the rally continues to drip, 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 upward and upward and upward. Because people fight the high, fight the high, fight the high, and then they cover. That's what creates these types of moves. You do that over a period of months, and you do it long enough, and you get a V, which is what we just completed yesterday. So heading into today, 40 to 42 is really the bull bear line. That's basically where it was yesterday. The opening print from yesterday's regular session was 42. And you've got the hourly mid-band, as you can see, sitting right there, 41.99. So 42, long above, short below. And we'll leave that in the hands of the bears to see if they can execute today. It's the last day of the month. We are certainly in month protection mode in the room. So, we take our setups, we do what we do, but we're not chasing performance. We never are. And, it's a situation where we'll do some things, we'll protect the month, and then, tomorrow we end up in May. Although I have to be honest, I don't really think of things in terms of, oh my God, it's the first of the month, here we go. I think of things in terms of, I go week by week and then day by day, because you really got to focus on the day in front of you. If you focus on the day in front of you and you hit those goals for the day, the weeks and months and years tend to take care of themselves. It's a lot easier said than done, but I think what happens with a lot of traders is they focus all the time on the big picture, and it becomes very overwhelming, when what you really should be doing is focusing on, what am I going to do today? What's my plan today? And that consistency and those building blocks in that consistency is what creates success and what builds an account. And that's what we try to teach, and we've been very successful with it, he tried to say. All right, everybody have a great day. We'll have some more stuff out on social. Come check us out. We are starting to integrate Slack into the chat room. We've got the mobile stuff, we've got the text alerts during the day, we've got Slack integration, along with our 24-hour live chart and our audio throughout the day. So it's a fun place to be, and it's a good group of people. and come check us out. All right, take care, trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.